Then, paalan dito. So, sarap naman doon sa kabila, may masahe. Dito, workout. Tapos mo dito, masahe ka, no? Yan. Okay, that's good. Okay. I want you to do a single rep lang muna. Yan. Sige, sa chan po yung row natin, ha? That's good. Okay, and then, yan. As soon as the video starts, start na po tayo. And go. That's good.
Today we have the 30 minutes
Topat na yata.
at Lock Off in Scotland. We're going to
Alin?
be working on a full
Meron pa.
variety of intervals from 5 minutes to 34. Training duration with increasing intensity. Make sure your resistance is set somewhere in the middle. Your feet are sitting nice and
Let's go!
across the ball of your foot.
Ayan, no? Consistent. That's good. Row din po kayo lahat.
Sitting
Yan, that's good. 20 seconds to go po. Yun. Tummy lang, tummy. Sa tiyan lang. Yan. 10 seconds. Yan. Two. Parang games lang eh, no? Okay.
34. Keep steady
Yan.
breathing.
200.